Hi, I'm Wenting, creator of IconDash.com. IconDash is a DIY software kit for icon management, designed to help you create a single source of truth dashboard for all of your icons. Just type in some keywords, icons are instantaneously filtered at each of your keystrokes. With a single click of a button, the icon's SVG code is dashed into your clipboard. Go to your design app of choice and paste. Command P to open the global spotlight search. This powerful feature helps you quickly jump to any icon and review its full detail. Manage and update icons in a Notion table. Your changes are saved and published automatically with version history. IconDash will provide you the tutorials to make your own icon dashboard, just like this demo. Not only will you build a customized icon dashboard that fits your needs, but you will also learn the essential skills to develop software without coding. Sign up for the launch notification today.